Expert HVAC Repair Services in Durham Region. Expert HVAC Repair Services in Durham Region. For homeowners in Durham Region, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is crucial, especially during extreme weather. Twintech Heating Cooling offers top-tier HVAC repair services to ensure your heating and cooling systems operate efficiently all year round. Comprehensive HVAC Repair Services. Twintech Heating Cooling specializes in a variety of HVAC services, including heat pump repair, expertise in diagnosing and fixing common issues like inadequate heating or cooling, strange noises, and poor airflow. Air conditioner repair, skilled in addressing problems such as refrigerant leaks, sensor malfunctions, and compressor issues. Furnace repair, comprehensive solutions for igniter problems, thermostat malfunctions, and airflow issues. Why choose Twintech Heating Cooling? Experienced technicians, certified professionals with extensive experience in HVAC systems, prompt and reliable service, commitment to quick response times and reliable repairs, customer satisfaction, high-quality service aimed at ensuring complete customer satisfaction. Benefits of regular HVAC maintenance: increased efficiency. Regular maintenance ensures systems run efficiently, reducing energy bills. Extended lifespan. Proper care and timely repairs can extend the life of HVAC systems. Improved air quality. Clean and well-maintained systems enhance indoor air quality. Serving Durham Region. Twintech Heating Cooling proudly serves the entire Durham region, including Pickering, Ajax, Whitby, Oshawa, and surrounding areas. Their team is dedicated to providing the best HVAC repair services to keep your home comfortable in every season. For more information or to schedule a service, visit Twintech Heating Cooling and ensure your HVAC systems are in expert hands.